In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Word document as a PDF in Microsoft Word 2021. If you've ever needed to share a document and keep the formatting consistent across different devices, saving it as a PDF is a great choice. PDFs preserve your fonts, layout, and spacing, so what you see in Word is what your recipient will see too. Start by opening your document in Microsoft Word 2021. Make sure everything looks the way you want it to appear in the final PDF. Check your headings, images, page breaks, and any elements like headers and footers. Once you're ready, look to the very top left corner of the window and click File. This takes you into Word's Backstage view, which is where you handle tasks like saving, printing, and sharing. From the menu on the left, select Save As. Save As creates a new copy of your document, which means your original Word file stays intact while you generate a separate PDF. This is helpful if you plan to keep editing the Word version later. Next, choose the folder where you want to save the file. You can pick a location on your computer, a shared drive, or a cloud folder you use regularly. Choosing the right spot now makes your PDF easy to find later, especially if you need to send it right away. In the Save as Type dropdown, select PDF, PDF. This tells Word to convert your document to the PDF format. If you're curious, PDF stands for Portable Document Format, and it's designed to be reliable for viewing and printing on almost any device or operating system. You'll notice that Word shows you a preview of the file name. You can keep it as is or adjust it before saving if you want, but you don't have to change anything for the conversion to work. When everything looks good, click Save. Word will process the conversion, which usually takes just a moment. Depending on your settings, the newly created PDF may open automatically in your default PDF viewer. If it doesn't, don't worry. Just navigate to the folder you selected earlier to find it. That's it. Your Word file has been saved as a PDF in the location you chose. Remember, if you need to make changes later, edit the original Word document and repeat these steps to produce an updated PDF. This workflow helps you keep a polished, shareable version of your work without losing the editable source. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to share your document with confidence.